How to sign up for Walmart's newsletters. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to sign up for Walmart's newsletters. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for Walmart newsletter sign up. In the interface that you will be led to, tap on the link that says newsletter sign up. You will then be asked to enter your email address in the text box you see there. So, go ahead and enter the email address and further tap on the sign up button. You will now be notified about new items, Walmart exclusive and everyday low prices. You will also get inspiration and tips for every season, top trends, and more in the email address you just entered. So, this is how you can sign up for Walmart's newsletters. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.